The Lifemaster Portable Gas Grill is an excellent choice for outdoor enthusiasts, offering a robust stainless steel construction that ensures durability and longevity. With its two powerful 10,000 British thermal unit burners, this grill provides ample cooking power for a variety of dishes, making it ideal for camping trips and family gatherings. Its compact design, complete with foldable legs, makes it highly portable and easy to set up on any flat surface, ensuring convenience and versatility for outdoor cooking. The grill's windproof lid and integrated thermometer allow for precise temperature control, enabling you to grill your favorite meals with precision and ease. The inclusion of a removable grease tray simplifies the cleaning process, making maintenance straightforward and hassle-free, so you can spend more time enjoying your meal. Perfect for grilling a wide range of foods, from meats to vegetables, this portable gas grill is a reliable cooking companion for both casual picnics and serious outdoor cookouts.